Good morning, my lovelies. I hope you all are fit and fine. Today is Monday, and obviously, it is your grammar lesson, dear children. And in this grammar lesson, we are going to start our essay. Okay, we will do two essays. One is importance of newspaper that today itself we will do, and another saved trees that we will do tomorrow. Okay, so first of all, you all will write down date and CW. In the center of the page, you will write down essay in first line. Then in second line, write down importance of newspaper. Okay. Now, newspapers, you all are aware what are newspapers, है ना? न्यूज़पेपर आप सबके घर पे आते होंगे ना. हो सकता है किसी बच्चे के घर पे ना भी आता हो, तो कोई बात नहीं है, ठीक है. पर आप सबको पता है कि न्यूज़पेपर्स होते क्या है, ठीक है. न्यूज़पेपर्स कैरी द न्यूज़ ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. न्यूज़पेपर में हमें बहुत सारी न्यूज़ पढ़ने के लिए मिलती है. हमारे आसपास क्या हो रहा होता है वो हमें पता चलता है. ओके. न्यूज़पेपर्स प्रोवाइड इंफॉर्मेशन एंड जनरल नॉलेज. Newspapers, what they provide us? They provide us the information and the general knowledge. Newspapers provide news about sports, games, entertainment, and many more. When you will read the newspaper, in that what you all come to know? You all will come to know about the sports, about the politics, about the games, about entertainment. Entertainment means like you will come to know the jokes are there, then sudoku is there, then coloring page is there, stories are there. Okay, that comes under entertainment and many more. Okay children, then reading newspaper makes a good habit. Yeah, this is a very good habit if you read the newspaper. This habit will enrich your knowledge. If you will include it in your daily routine, you will make it as your hobby, definitely you will enhance your knowledge. It enables you to take part in every discussion. Now, why I have written this line here? I wrote this line because if you will read the newspapers daily, or if you will sit with your mama and your mama or papa will tell you the daily news from the newspaper, definitely if anyone will ask you any question related to current affairs, okay, definitely you will be able to give answer of that question. Okay. Number 7, through newspapers, you will have a clear idea of what is happening in your country and the whole world. Definitely it is true. If you will read the newspaper, you will be able to know about your country and about the whole world, what is happening in the whole world. Okay. Some names of newspaper are the Times of India, Dainik Jagran. This is English newspaper and this is Hindi newspaper. Okay children. So this is my humble request to you all. If you are having any newspaper at your home, whether it is Hindi or English, you should take out time to read that newspaper. First, try to read a paragraph. When slowly you will make your interest in that and extend it to the 2 paragraphs or 3 paragraphs or the complete page. You can read out the headlines, है ना, जो थिक बोल्ड लेटर्स में लिखा होता है, आप उनको रीड आउट कीजिए, तो आपको उससे भी नॉलेज मिलेगा कि व्हाट इज हैपनिंग. ओके. नाउ वन मोर थिंग आई वांट टू टेल यू डियर चिल्ड्रन, लाइक which was our first newspaper of Hindi which was published in India. It was Uddand Martand. Okay, Uddand Martand. Right? It is a Sanskrit word. Its meaning is उगता हुआ सूरज. ठीक है, ये हमारा इंडिया का फर्स्ट न्यूज़पेपर है जो हिंदी में पब्लिश हुआ था. ऑल राइट. चलिए चिल्ड्रन, बिफोर ऑल्सो आई टोल्ड यू दैट ट्राई टू रीड newspaper whether it is Hindi or English. Take care. Bye bye.